Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property, and today I'm excited to be able to show you through 16 Bowerbird Close in Peregian Springs, which is located at the end of a quiet court, sitting high with views from Mount Coolum to the hinterland and out to the ocean. Let's take a look inside. Cleverly designed to orientate north, the home and pool are bathed in natural light all day and all year long. On the ground floor of the home, there are 2 bedrooms serviced by a main bathroom and another guest suite, which is tucked at the front of the home with its own ensuite and views of the garden. The hero of the home is the open plan kitchen, which is served by a large butler's pantry. The dining and living area spills out onto the undercover entertaining space and pool, which is surrounded by private gardens on a rare 912 square metre flat block. Retreat upstairs and enjoy a generous master bedroom with walk-in robe and ensuite, as well as your private balcony, perfect for morning coffee with some of the best views in Peregian Springs. Thanks so much for watching. If you can see yourself enjoying a relaxed, private lifestyle by the pool, I highly recommend you come and see the home for yourself. For those overseas and interstate, we're more than happy to walk you through the property virtually. I'm Joel Hood, and I look forward to meeting with you soon.